Okay, we're going to work on wrap text. This is something that seems self-explanatory to some people. You can easily figure it out, but it can be a little tricky. It depends on which version of Microsoft Excel you're using and how comfortable you are with maneuvering around in Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to go ahead and start out typing a name here. I'm going to give her a title, and I'm going to put in a date, just a random date that comes to mind. Now, for those of you that already see it, is in front of us, wrap text. So I have my text here where I'm looking at column A and it just has Jane Doe, and I want that in the same column where the Smith is not extending out to column B when I'm viewing it, and also the same as the word cells with the S extending into column D. So the easiest way is, if you see this at the top of your screen, is to click on the row, or if you wanted to do more rows, you could click on as many as you're going to be using regarding your amount of text. And you just click on wrap text. It's right under home, wrap text. And now our text is wrapped. And that was very easy and simple. However, not everyone has that feature right up top where they can see it. So the alternate way to wrap text is to click on what you want, and I'll go back down here. We're going to just do this little section here. Right click, scroll down to Format Cells. We click on that, and you notice here there are multiple titles that are populated for us to view. Now we want alignment. So if you're not on it, make sure you click on alignment. You're going to scroll down to text control, and we want to make sure we have that wrap text checked. We want to see the check mark right next to it. And then we are going to click on OK. Now our text is wrapped again. So you now know two different ways to do wrap text.